Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can create a Gmail account. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and put your likes under this video. And let us get started with you. Please open any web browser that you have and come to Google. Next, you'll need to either go to your existing Gmail account in the upper right-hand corner and create a new one from there. Or you can, if you don't already have an account added to Google, then you just click up here at the top as well and choose Add an Account. If you do, then this is an action you'll need to look for. To do that, click on your already existing image from your Google account, then Add Account and Create Account. Now choose what you will be creating the account for. For example, for business work, for a child, or your extra account will be. Choose the one that suits your needs. Next, in the next step, you'll need to keep your first name, as well as your last name. Next, click here. Now see your year of birth. Select your gender and click Next. In the next step, you'll be presented with several Gmail account options. What they will look like, how you will be signed into the new account. If you don't like any of the options given, you can click Create your Gmail address. Once you have selected it, click Next. Now you will need to maintain your password. And further repeat your password again. And then click Next. In the next step, friends, you will need to maintain your cell phone number. And also click Next. After that, you will receive a confirmation code on your cell phone number. You will need to maintain this code, which will come on SMS. After you enter the code, then you have to accept all the terms and conditions that Gmail will offer you, and then your account will be created. Friends, this is the way you can create your Gmail account. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.